Looking for the perfect battery jumper cables? Here's what you need to know. The Energizer Jumper Cables is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants Energizer 16 feet jumper cables 6 gauge. 16 feet booster battery jumper cables for jump starting a dead or weak battery. Ideal for trucks, subs, full-size cars, mid-size cars and small compact cars. Designed to help you. Thick vinyl coating includes a strong spring and a comfortable handle for secure placement and easy positioning. Thick vinyl coating for protection against rust and corrosion. Great choice if you need carrying case included. Our Energizer jumper cables come with a high-grade travel bag for easy transport and compact storage. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.